number 9. Ay, hindi na para kay jersey number 6. Second jersey number 9. Number 9. It's a number 19. On the shot clock. ISO play, here's number 19, baseline jumper, it's so good. Jersey number 7, passing jersey number 99, jersey number 3 Ortiz. Back to Gomez, inside passing jersey number 6, go! Passengers number 25, you on the shot clock. Passengers number 8, jersey number 99, jersey number 6. Small play, jersey number 6, save ball. Time remaining 6 minutes and 11 seconds to play. Para sa ating fourth and last quarter score, 62-52 at 10.8 para sa Barangay. Second shot clock, 19 seconds to shoot. Gomez in the baseline inbound, looking for the man. Almost intercept, jersey number 6. Outside, look, and it's for jersey number 6, leading on. Passengers number 9. 1 second shot clock. He's a passenger number 8. 6 second shot clock. Jersey number 8 using the body spin. Puts it up and it's over. Pinagpaglaan depensa ni jersey number 3. Score 64-54. And remaining 5 minutes and 33 seconds to play. Jersey number 6. Passing Gomez 14 on the shot clock. Order passing jersey number 7. Nice screen dito para jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 1, Navarro. Back to jersey number 19, Matias. He's a pass to jersey number 8. Goes in the body. Support jersey number 7. Up and under is no good. Long rebound dito para jersey number 9. 3 on the pocket. Ronnie Gomez. Good foul. Jersey number 9. And the second foul penalty. 2